Hello and welcome to our latest transfer news. New Kaizer Chiefs signing Asanele Velebayi has revealed that joining Amakhosi was a dream come true. The 22-year-old was declared a free agent by the Premier Soccer League Dispute Resolution Chamber, with Chiefs unveiling him as a new signing a day later. However, Cape Town Spurs have lodged an official appeal against the ruling, meaning Velebayi cannot play for Chiefs until the case has been resolved. Despite the controversy around his move, Velebayi has expressed his excitement about joining the Soweto Giants. Here's what Velebayi says: "I can't even describe the feeling. When I heard the news that I was officially joining Kaizer Chiefs, the first thing I did was call my mother and family to share the good news. I was so happy. It has always been my dream to come here, and I aim to make the most of this amazing opportunity. I also want to thank the supporters for the warm welcome I have received. I really hope we all have a wonderful season together." And then Velebayi also discussed his preferred position, even though he is versatile enough to play any position in attack. He says, "I can play on the right as a number 10 as well, but my favorite position is wide on the left as a wing," meaning that a left wing. So yeah, that's Velebayi on his Kaizer Chiefs move. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of Velebayi saying that joining Kaizer Chiefs was a dream come true? Another Kaizer Chiefs recruit, Siphesihle Ndlovu, is ecstatic to have fulfilled his father's dream of playing for Amakhosi after missing out on the opportunity to play for them in the past. The 28-year-old midfield anchor joined the Glamour Boys from the now defunct SuperSport United and scored the winning goal against Polokwane City to maintain Chiefs' perfect start of the 2025-26 Betway Premiership season. The former Orlando Pirates man took time to reflect on finally playing for the other half of the Soweto and what it means to don the gold and black colors. Here's what Siphesihle Ndlovu says: "It was my father's dream for me to play for the club that he has always supported. And since the ages of 17 and 18, I have wanted to fulfill that ambition. Right now, he is very happy and excited, which means the world to me. A while back, I missed out on the opportunity to come here, so I said to myself, I will still work hard to hopefully get the opportunity again. So when it did come, I was thrilled to finally sign for Amakhosi. I am the type of a person who always look ahead of what's coming. So for me, it's a new chapter in my life and career, a new journey that I am taking." And then here's what he said regarding scoring the winning goal against Polokwane City: "It was a great feeling. Everyone who played in the first half did their job, so it was up to those of us who came to finish it. That's why the goal is so special for me, because it came at the right time. That's what I call making your mark." That's Siphesihle Ndlovu on what it means to play for Kaizer Chiefs and what that winning goal meant for him and also for his father. PSL chairperson Dr. Ivan Khoza has shared his honest opinion on club status sales, saying it is stressful, but the league finds itself with no choice when clubs are struggling to stay afloat. In recent years, historic football brands such as Moroka Swallows, Bidvest Vets, Highland Park, Bloemfontein Celtic, and most recently SuperSport United have become defunct because the owners were unable to sustain the club financially, while some of these clubs found buyers who also struggled to maintain them. So here's what Dr. Ivan Khoza said: "It's stressful for me, for us as the PSL, but what can we do? Whenever there's a need to sell, the first thing we do is that where the club belongs. We ask if there are any takers, but a lot of times there are no takers. We can't just sit. We have to go out there into the open market where there's a willing buyer and a willing seller. Our national constitution says economic activity is allowed for everybody. The chairperson went on to speak about how protective he is of the PSL brand. I've built this with others over many years. I will not let anyone mess it up. So yeah, that's Dr. Ivan Khoza regarding the buying and selling of the status. Bafana Bafana winger Elias Mokwana is closing in on a move to Saudi Arabia with Saudi Pro League side Al-Hazem. The Saudi Pro outfit are set to fork out $800,000 to sign Bafana Bafana International. That's about 14 million rands. The 26-year-old was a regular in the Tunisian top flight last season, making 25 appearances for Espérance, who secured the league titles. Espérance have seemingly already lined up a replacement for Mokwana, with 𝒌ℎ𝗙𝗕𝗓𝗏 winger 𝗑𝒢𝒻𝒻𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀 now on their radar. So let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of Elias Mokwana's possibility to move to Saudi Pro League side Al-Hazem? Remember, he will be the second South African footballer to play in the Saudi Pro League after 𝗍𝗏𝗘𝗙𝗦 joined earlier in the transfer. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of the news for today? See you next time.